What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new Q50 video. In today's video, all of these parts that I started getting, the radiator support in there, the radiator support in here, radiator fan, AC condenser, water pump and stuff. So in today's video, we're gonna unbox all this and start installing the parts that we do have and can install right now. Radiator support is not one of those because frame rails are still bent to crap, but let's just go ahead and start with the water pump and little outlet housing or inlet, intake, a little coolant pipe, whatever that thing is. Look at that shiny new water pump. Straight from the dealer.
It's fancy.
So shiny. Look at the old versus the new.
Also, should it start doing this?
No, you can tell what that is.
This is a mini turbo. Yeah.
50 horsepower. Nice. Okay, yeah, so time to install this stuff and get some trap music montage action going on because trap music is legit. And I really like it, so that's what you guys are stuck with on this channel. Oh, crikey. I was trying to get some narration in here.
I just like lean down so that I can start cleaning it.
Okay, I'll go with normal.
What do you mean?
So Julian's just wiping off the surface to make sure there's no dirt and everything in there. And then on both, you see where the thing goes all the way around there and stuff. So he'll do that. And then it looks like a little snail. Look at that little thing. Gary the snail. Hello. Good, yourself?
Good.
What can I help you with?
So, you probably heard of the homicide that happened here at Maverick?
No.
Oh.
Today?
Yeah, well, early this morning.
Didn't know that.
So, we have...
No one's walked back this way.
Okay. Alright. Sounds good. Thanks.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Yeah, guys, trying to kill someone this morning.
I'm going to leave that in there, but yep. Straight up Richard Street action. I don't know if you saw it back there with the lighting, but
I was supposed to be like, what did I do? I thought it was out of probation.
I thought it was the freaking DMV police. Cuz sometimes DMV police shows up to like just check body shops and everything to make sure that your licenses are up to date and whatnot, but
That's why I saw that little notebook and I thought it was like the monthly checkup.
coming to check my permits and
Yeah.
licenses. But someone straight up got murdered down at the Maverick. Good thing we weren't there getting slushies.
Yeah.
That sucks though, man. So let's take a moment and remember those whose lives are taken.
Can put a bolt through it so that you can hold it in place, or actually put in 2 bolts. It's better.
2 chains.
I don't even own 1 chain.
Such I can't zoom in with this. While Julian's back there doing that, I'm gonna open up this legs day radiator support and see how nice and new it looks.
water pump is on now, all done.
The only other mechanical part that was broken from the front end impact of like accessory parts, not frame rails or radiator or anything, is this. But yeah, I ordered this from Concept Z Performance down in Phoenix. I think they're in Phoenix, somewhere in Arizona. So I'm assuming it shouldn't take too long for it to get here. And it's just this top section. So yeah, I need to get that in, and then that will bolt right up top there. And then there's some other goodies coming from them as well. So that's like the next big thing, minus frame rails. I have to send this off to a frame shop for them to replace them and straighten them and everything. But yeah, it's coming along pretty quick. And then we'll fast forward 6 months and it still won't be done. So for those of you who are new to the channel, stay tuned. I know I say that a lot, but like seriously, stay tuned. I'm just ordering tons of crap for this to try to get it done quickly. And there will be parts that I'll have to wait on, but I do have a lot of parts over in that corner that you guys probably see in the videos and everything, but they're all in boxes, so you don't know what they are. But yeah, that being said, go check out my Instagram, behind the scenes stuff at Nobori Auto. Teespring below, there's some socks for those of you who are in the southern hemisphere. It's winter time. Julian's rocking some white socks. They're not Nobori socks,
Yeah,
but no, they're not.
Yeah. I bought them like 2 years ago.
They've only been offered for. Julian's a straight up liar. But yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys and the support that you've given me, especially on this Q50 build. It's only 3 videos in at this point, and we're going strong. So I hope I can keep that up, and I hope you guys will continue to like the content and the future aftermarket fun that's to come with this project. Until then, enjoy life, live it to the fullest, and I will see you guys on the next one.